Hi, this is Rama Pravalika and now I am going to explain you the beta function property, that is beta in terms of trigonometric function. Now that can be written as two forms. That question can be written as two forms. That is beta in terms of trigonometric function and another one is beta of m comma n is equals to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 theta into cos power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. So now let us go to solution. And before that we know the beta definition, that is beta of m comma n is equals to integral 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx. This is one of the important formula that we need to remember for this. Now let us take beta of m comma n equals to 0 to 1 x power n minus 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx from beta function and consider it is first equation. Now put x equals to sin square theta. Now differentiate this x equals to sin square theta. We get dx equals to sin square theta differentiation 2 into sin theta, and now differentiation of sin theta cos theta. Now take this as another equation d theta. We need to change these limits too because we are taking x values in terms of thetas. So if x equals to 0, then we get sin square theta is equals to 0 by substituting 0 in this equation. This is second equation, this one is third equation. Then we get sin theta is equals to 0, theta equals to 0. And now if x equals to 1, from here x equals to 1, sin square theta equals to 1, sin theta equals to 1, then theta equals to pi by 2, sin 90 equals to 1, so theta equals to pi by 2. Now from first equation we have beta of m comma n is equals to integral. Now substitute these limits values 0 to pi by 2 equals to 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute x as sin square theta. Sin square theta whole power m minus 1 into now 1 minus x, that is 1 minus sin square theta whole power n minus 1. Now dx value is 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. So we got this equation from equation 1, 2 and 3. Now take 2 as common. 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 2. Here we split this 2m minus 2 into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. From trigonometric equations we know. And now n minus 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now let us solve this. 2 pi by 2. So we took 2 as common. So here we won't have a 2. Sin power 2m minus 2 theta into sin theta cos power 2n minus 2 theta into cos theta. Here we took this separately so that we can get it easily. 2 into 0 power integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 2 plus 1 theta into cos power 2n minus 2 plus 1 theta d theta. Now we get 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 2m minus 1 theta into cos power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Hence it is proved beta of m comma n is equals to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 theta into cos power 2n minus 1 d theta. So this is what we want. So from this equation we proved the same value. So this is beta in terms of trigonometric function.